Alright, so here's my fridge. It's a Maytag MFI2569YEM2. It's having some problems, it's not cooling. So we're gonna dig in and find out why. Welcome to the Burnouts and Rotor Blades YouTube channel. Let's go do something awesome. First problem that I've noticed is the keypad here. When you push the buttons, all the lights light up. It responds to nothing with the exception of the ice door still works for some reason or another. The fridge light, as you can see, comes on. Whenever I open up the fridge, the temperature in the fridge is 67 degrees, which is about 3 degrees cooler than ambient. If I just point my thermometer at the wall. Now we're going to pull the fridge away from the wall and see what we can see in the back. If you don't have all this kind of stuff stuck to the side of your fridge, are you really a parent? So using my 1/4-inch nut driver, I remove the back panel and the 4 screws that go with it. And what we have is the control panel for the fridge. Very, very simple to remove this panel, but first we're going to make sure that we unplug it, so I'm going to step off and do that. Alright, now we have the fridge unplugged, so we can move on to messing with this panel here. There's a latch here that we're going to use these pliers to pry up on just ever so slightly to remove that panel. Then we're going to unplug the 4 plug-in connectors that go into the panel. And then very, very simply, there's 2 catch releases to remove this panel. This panel is part number W10312695 Bravo. I found it on Amazon for 179 bucks with free shipping. Alright, new box just showed up, says factory certified parts. So just a reminder, this is what the old circuit board looked like. Pull this one out of the package. This one is 10312695 Bravo. Yeah. Right there. And it looks exactly the same. So let's go install it. While we had this out, we cleaned up behind it because it was gross, like they always are. And now it's time to put it back. Now, even though this on camera looks like it's pulsating, it's not. It's just the camera. So now we have to program this. So our program code we can find if we open up the fridge and look right up here. And look right up here, our code is this code, 2020. Door alarm, 1001, 1003, 1002, 1003. There's that. Alright, now the decimal's there, so we can go up 1 for 2. We're going to go next one 0, next one 0. And then we're going to hold that one down. And now it's restarted. I have kids, so that one goes on. And we'll see what the temperature is doing now. Alright, so it's coming out 55 degrees, so that's a start. Alright, so our fridge is working again. That was it for this fix. The control board was what it was. Total fix, probably $180 worth, including shipping from Amazon, and our 10 minutes to install is gonna save me from having to go out and buy another fridge. Hopefully this works for you, and if you could do me a favor and click down on that subscribe button and the little bell icon, give the video a like if it helped you out. I would appreciate that a lot. So thank you, bye. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content and want to see more like it, and as always,